Congratulations, you just found your first lead. You are finally going to be able to buy that Lamborghini that you've been dreaming of. And it's perfect timing. The timing is perfect because they just announced the new Lamborghini Revuelto. I'll stop you right there. You are still a broke loser. One lead's not going to change your life. All right, you need to find more leads. You need to find more opportunities. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn one lead into multiple opportunities. I already made a video on that subject. Link here. Yeah, it's going to be this site. Click here if you want to see the video. But today I'm going to show you one more strategies that I've developed recently, that I've started playing with recently. Remember, one strategy is not going to work all the time. You need to use multiple strategies, and you need to know, like, you need to add them to your game plan, basically, because you cannot play the same play every single time. All right, sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it's not gonna work, but you need to know this play in case, you know, you can try sometime and see it may work. You may find some stuff, and it's really situational. So remember all the time, learn all those different strategies, add them to your playbook, and start using them, and you will be successful at one point. You'll start finding leads, and yeah, that's basically all you need to think about it, right? Do not just do this sourcing method. Do not just use one sourcing method. You need to be aware of a multiple of sourcing method to start making money, right? Before we start, we have a Discord server for this channel, okay? I'm always hanging out over there. We had the live call yesterday. It was super great. If you want to learn about Amazon, if you want to meet other sellers, if you want to network, best place to do it. Join the Discord server. Join us when we do live calls. Come ask questions, hang around, and yeah, build some positive karma. Whenever you help someone, like, people are more likely to start helping you back and stuff. And actually, when you start helping people, you are gonna learn some stuff as well, right? If you hang out with other sellers and stuff, and if you actually help beginners. So yeah, and I'm always over there helping beginners and answering any questions you may have. So let's start. So what is this strategy? So let's take this hypothetical example, right? You are selling Coke, all right? The drink, not the powder. If you are selling Coke, if you can make great money selling this product, Coca-Cola have competitors, right? So if you can make money selling cola, all right, from the Coca-Cola brand, you can probably look at their competitors and make money as well, right? So if you, for example, you make money selling Coca-Cola, you may want to look at Pepsi, right? Because you know that they are competitors, they sell the exact same product, and yeah, it's basically the same products. It's a 12-pack of 12 ounce cans, and what you'll notice in those situations is that if that product, for example, if Coca-Cola is on promotion 1 week on some website, the next week the promotion may be Pepsi Cola, and so on and so forth. It's a cycle. So you need to learn, whenever you have a lead, try to look at the competition and start looking if they sell the same product, right? Look at the market for that product. And you can go a little bit deeper. For example, if you were looking at cola, okay, start looking at sodas, all right? Because you would have the soda category, and under that you have a small niche that is cola, right? Look at sodas. Look at it a little bit broader. Do not just. So a mistake people make is that, okay, they sell in the grocery category, they're going to look at all the grocery category products, like they're going to look at them all at the same time. Try to niche down a little bit whenever you find a product, look at that category, look at the above category, because the thing is that on Amazon, if you actually scroll down, right, there's not just the grocery category, there's subcategories, right? And this product will fall into the soda and soft drink. And then in the soda and soft drink market, you have the market for cola, right, which is one of the most popular soda, right? So this is how you would do it, and I'm going to show you how to use tools to get better at that. But let's take another example, right? So for example, if you sell this product, right, which are Marvel action figures, so if you pretty much know the stuff, your stuff, you know that who's the competitors to Marvels, who is their biggest competitor? It's DC Comics, right? So try to look for DC Comics figurines, try to see if you can get them cheap enough, try to see who's the competition for this product, right? So same thing, scroll down, you would see that it's in toys and games. Then there's a pre-kindergarten toys category, and then there's action figure. So you can look at the action figure subcategory and actually look who's selling in that category. But let's take a last one. I'm going to show you how to use Keepa to actually dive deeper into that, right? So let's look at this product from MAC Cosmetic, right? What you would see if you scroll down is that it's in beauty and personal care, and it's in the face powder subcategory, right? And there's 3 other subcategories. So here's what you can do. First of all, just go on Google or use ChatGPT, whatever you want, and try to figure out who's MAC Cosmetics competitor, right? So just go to Google, go on Comparably if you want to. It's a great website to do it. And scroll down a little bit and you would see that the competitors of MAC Cosmetic are Sephora. So Sephora is like a big, it's not really like a big brand, it's not really the same market, but they sell multiple brands, right? But if you look down, you can see that another like great competitor to MAC Cosmetic is Estee Lauder. Another one is Urban Decay, another one is NARS. So try to see if those brands actually sell a competitive, like the same product. Oftentimes they will sell the same product. Just try to see if it's profitable, try to see what's the price points and stuff. And this is one great way to do it. But there's another and better way to do it. And you should do both, actually. It's not really a better way, but just go to the product finder on Keepa, and let me open it right there. I'm sorry. So what you would do is, so for example, if for example you see this product and it's profitable, super profitable for you if it sells between $35 and $40, right? Because you can get them for cheap, like for $20, let's say, right? And $20 will not be enough, but like, no, it's okay, okay? It's okay. Let's take this as an example. So what you would do is, because if MAC Cosmetics sells this product, you can find it for $20. You can probably find this product from MAC Cosmetics competitors for pretty much the same price, right? So what you want to do is, this product is in the face powder subcategory, right? So you would go to the product finder, and let me choose the right one. So you would go to the buy box price and you would put $35 to $40, right? This is pretty much what we want, right? Yeah, it's pretty much what we want, and maybe a little bit even higher, but let's say it sells, yeah, let's say your product sells between $35 and $40, and if you have a product that's like, just go with the same statistics. It's just an example, right? So, and I keep clicking on the wrong one. So you would put your buy box price, and then you would scroll down, keep scrolling down, and right here you can choose your category. So you would choose beauty and personal care, and right here you would choose the face powder category, which is right here, right? So what you would do after that is, it's going to give you like results like this, and you're going to be able to see every single product that sells meeting those criteria. The product finder is a super useful tool. You should learn how to use it. You should find new ways to use it, because it's a great tool that you need to master if you want to find better products, if you want to find better product, better leads to sell on Amazon, right? So we can see, for example, that it's pretty much, it's another color, it's another variation of the product that we found, the MAC Studio Fix Powder. But we can see that there's one product that actually sells faster than that, and it's L'Oreal. Okay, it's from L'Oreal. It's a pack of 4, so yeah. But you can see the competition basically. So there's L'Oreal, and I don't really know if it's going to be a competitor, because you know, it does not sell at the same price point, but you can still look at them and see if it would make sense for you to buy it, because it's a pack of 4, right? So it does not really make sense. But what you can see right there is that Supergoop is one of their competitors, right? And I don't know if you can actually sell the product, this brand. I don't know if they do IP alert. It's just as an example, right? Clinique as well sells product in the same category. They do sell the same product, right? It's just another brand. So you will check that, and this is a good way to actually find new brands. I've never heard of Supergoop. Anastasia Beverly Hills sell the same product. The only thing is that you cannot sell Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's restricted, if I remember correctly. And yeah, just scroll down, Bare Mineral, Kosas Cloud, Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever. Look at everything, every brand, Estee Lauder, which we saw when we did our homework and we went to the other website, right? And yeah, just look at them, look at all of them, try to see if you can find them at a price cheap enough. Keep them in mind, take notes, because there may be, if there's a promotion on some websites, like, I don't know who sells MAC Cosmetic, maybe Sephora, right? If there's a promotion on Sephora for MAC Cosmetic this week, right, for face powders, maybe next week there's going to be another promotion on face powders, but it's going to be from Estee Lauder, and stuff rotates like that oftentimes. So just try to find out. Yeah, that's a pretty easy method. You're going to find out new brands, you're going to find out new products, and it's a great way to turn one lead into multiple new leads, right? Because you're going to need to do some work. Sometimes it's not going to be one lead that is going to be available today, but it's so you build some knowledge of that market, right? So that's the video for today. If you want to watch another video, if you want to learn how to get better at selling on Amazon, check out this other video. I release a new video every single day at 3 p.m. Yeah, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Turn on the notifications. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Join the Discord.